How to find archived messages on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to find archived messages on Facebook Messenger. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Facebook Messenger. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. In the list of options we should find archived chats and click on it. Here the Messenger will show you the whole list of archived chats in Messenger. This method works for both Android and iPhone. You can unarchive a chat by tapping and holding it. Then just select Unarchive in appearance menu. That's all. It was how to find archived messages on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.